Warning. This video is for educational and documental purposes only, and everything being shown is legal under California's Proposition 64. I will never encourage consumption in any legal or illegal environment. Also, product shown in this video is not for sale. This is for family use only. I've never sold nor intend to distribute any of this product. Please enjoy the video. Yo, what is going on, pimps and players? My name is Carter and welcome back to the 113 Grow Show. I know there's been a bunch of these videos on the channel and it's not Grow Show related, but I like getting high, I like playing some video games. I've already went out and smoked a couple bowls. I like trying to keep these videos non-age restricted. It just helps bring viewers to the channel, helps the sub count, and you know what? I'm sorry if you guys don't like it. You don't have to watch these videos. We do have regular Grow Show content coming and still on the channel, so go ahead and watch that if you don't like this one. We're out here for Silverstone today, pimps. Like I said, I'm stoned, so if I'm talking like shit, I'm fucking sorry. I know I'm cursing, I'm tired. We're ready to go rip though. I got everything pretty much ready to go, other than qualifying. So we're gonna pretty much get this. Ooh, I don't have the setup going, so we gotta get the setup. Hold up. All right, pimps, here we go. Fucked up through maggots and buckets. Oh, that's gotta be a 12. Oh, I'll take that top 10. I will take that top 10. That's a personal best qualifying. I was not expecting that, especially around Silverstones. Tend to be one of my bogey circuits. I've been playing since like F119. No, 2020 I think was my first like real game I played. Yeah.
Goodbye for now then, but really we're just getting started. Make sure to join us again for Lights Out tomorrow.
Alright, Pam, so we're going to have a little bit of trouble on our hands because we did use a dry qualifying setup, and I forgot that we were having a wet race, so we're going to have a little bit of struggling, but it shouldn't be too bad. We should be able to hang on. I think it's going to be raining the entire race, so inners to inners probably, unless maybe it dries up. I'm not positive. We'll have to just see what the fuck cracks, but starting from the points, I gotta say it's only up from here. Got some good upgrades on the car. It's not feeling super doggy. Got some drag reduction, weight redistribution, hopefully some rear downforce. Maybe that's why I was able to qualify so good, is because everyone's on a little bit of higher downforce setups. Yeah, she's wet.
Welcome.
It says rain all the way across the board. We're gonna underfield the cars to see here just because I feel like it. To 5 lights, revs are up. First gear selected, and 5 lights are off. A little bit of a slower start, I wasn't really paying attention.
Ear is itching. Oh, you distracted me. I just have little downforce on this car and then a little downforce setup.
Okay, so gap to the car ahead, 5.0 seconds.
Too wide. Sign sneaks by. Not good, I just lost my point. Fuck, dude. Damn it. Railman. I cannot lay the power down like they can.
Gap to your teammate behind, 4.8 seconds. You're just starting to drop back from the car in front by about 2 seconds a lap now. Get your head down.
I'm on full concentrate mode, I don't know how. Jesus. I'm struggling, guys. I'm struggling so bad. I can't even like charge through a corner without the fear of the asset and fucking stepping out. I have no pace out here. It's ridiculous.
Okay, gap ahead, 2.2 seconds. Car in front is a second a lap faster, 1 second.
I'm sure. I slide every fucking corner, dude. I can't even get on the grass and accelerate sideways. So pretty much everyone's pit. We're in the same spot. I didn't notice the camera died, so I don't know what the fuck you guys got to see or not, but I adjusted the wing. I feel a little bit better going into corners. I don't really feel the best, like, accelerating out of them still. At least I have some bite, which is nice. I can like flow through the corners a little bit better. You know, it's not gonna be perfect, but we can make do with what we got. Little yellow flag, what do we got?
I've got information on Albon for you. Okay, it looks like the problem's terminal. They're retiring the car. VSC deployed. The virtual safety car has been deployed. We need to keep a positive delta here. Slow down and maintain a positive delta.
Virtual safety car? Oh, shit.
Okay, VSC ending. We're going green. Maintain positive delta until the green flags.
Oh my goodness. We just went green right there. No fucking ifs, ands, or buts.
Green flag. Okay, so gap to the car ahead, 14.8 seconds. VSC deployed. The virtual safety car has been deployed. We need to keep a positive delta here. Slow down and maintain a positive delta. Right, drop your speed. Our delta's too low and we're going to risk a penalty. Slow your pace immediately.
God. Oh, that's a bummer. We're 11th now.
Virtual safety car is ending. Maintain your pace until we get the green flags. VSC ending. Wait for the greens.
That was a good little... Oh! I almost just lost the car.
Green flag.
I'll probably my best time through maggots and Beckett's right there. Yeah, green sector.
Okay, I think we're still in the right tyres for the time being. 5
laps to go, Pips. Couple DNFs put us in 11th, but we're still just outside the top 10, which is unfortunate, but not bad for not feeling very fucking swell all race. Alright, pimps. They've been absolutely fighting me off. I've been defending like a fucking lion, dude. About to come on to the last lap here. I'm ready for this race to be over. This is hell out here. I am snaking and slithering around so slow.
Okay, you've just started the final lap of the race.
And today I only had to go into the pits. I wonder if they were battling behind me. I wonder if something happened on that last lap. Jesus, Landa just won. He almost lapped us. Oh my gosh. That's actually crazy. You can see the car slithering. Going a little wide. Tires are shot. Deploy.
Okay, gap to the car ahead, 24.3 seconds.
Ooh.
Okay, pick up rubber and bring it home.
Ooh. That's not our best result, but we'll take that shit, dude. For not fucking having the best car that whole 26 laps. I was slithering. I couldn't put the foot down at all. No traction.
It's Lando Norris for victory.
I'm sweating. Ooh, that was a gnarly one.
A great team.
Damn. Well, if you guys did enjoy this one, please don't hesitate to drop a fat like and subscribe down below. Let me know what you thought in those comments. This was a pretty good one, dude. We got 11th, which sucks, but we'll get them next time. Cheers. Peace. See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Yeah, motherfuckers. Yeah.